78% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck, which means I make some money and I spend all of it or more. There's a joke that I like to make, which is in the traditional Indian culture, people make $1 to spend 20 cents. In the traditional American culture, people make $1 to spend $2 through the help of lines of credit, credit cards, and other forms of debt. We live in what's called a credit-based economy, which means if you make $50,000 a year, you don't live off of $50,000 a year. At least most Americans don't. You have the ability to spend the $50,000 you earn plus debt, because as you make more money, as you have a good job, you become more creditworthy.
Feel that struggle? It's all too real for so many out there. The pressure of living paycheck to paycheck, barely surviving, it's a vicious cycle. But what if you could break free? Imagine a life where your money works for you, not the other way around. A life where you're the boss, not the system. Let's uncover a millionaire routine that can help you escape the rat race for good. Here are 4 simple steps to do every time you get paid.
And I had one of the greatest lessons I ever learned, and I'm about to share it with you. This will be worth the price of being here today if you can capture what I'm about to share with you. Here's what Mr. Schoaf said. Set a goal to become a millionaire. And he said, here's why. For what it will make of you to achieve it. And I got one of the greatest classes in one sentence I've ever received in my life. Set a goal that'll make you stretch that far. For what it will make of you to achieve it. What a brand new reason for setting goals. And here's why. The greatest value in life is not what you get. The greatest value in life is what you become.
The first step is to track where your money went last month. Most people spend their hard-earned cash recklessly right after getting paid. They splurge on nonsense for a few days, and by the end of the month, they're broke again. Think about it. Can you even remember what you spent 60% of your last salary on? Sure, there's rent, food, taxes, but what else? Were those expenses worth it? Most likely you spent on things you've already eaten, drunk, or forgotten. Look around you. Can you find anything from your last paycheck that'll last? Most people can only name clothes or cheap stuff from AliExpress. That's like giving half your salary to a stranger on the street. You'd lose it anyway. If this sounds like you, you're not alone. 99% of people throw away their salary like this, but you can change that. Start by writing down every single expense this month, even a pack of chips. At the end of the month, review the list. You'll be shocked at how much goes to useless purchases. This simple act will make you think twice before buying that next impulse item. Over time, your expenses will drop by 10 to 20%, and you'll start building wealth without earning a penny more. The second step is to save 20% of your salary. This is the key to breaking free from the paycheck cycle. Elizabeth Warren, a U.S. senator and finance expert, says 20% is the sweet spot for savings. Don't try to save more, you'll burn out. And don't save less if you can help it. This 20% will help you build passive income, start a business, or travel, whatever sets you free. But here's the catch, you need discipline.
The quality is so important that if you don't develop it to a high degree, it's impossible for you to ever achieve what you are truly capable of achieving. The quality that I'm talking about is the quality of self-discipline. It is a habit, a practice, a philosophy, and a way of living. All successful men and women are highly disciplined in the important work that they do.
It's easy to blow your savings on shiny things, especially when ads are everywhere. To fight this, use the 3-day rule. If you want to buy something, wait 3 days. If you still need it, go for it. If not, you've just saved yourself some cash. If you struggle with discipline, ask a trusted friend to hold your savings for 3 months. Or better yet, invest it. Start with as little as $10 in stocks or real estate. Saving isn't about hoarding. It's about making your money work for you. If you're ready to break free from the paycheck cycle, smash that like button and subscribe to Nova Society Finance. Let's master your money together. The third step is to cover your essentials: housing, food, transportation, and debts. These should take up no more than 50 to 60% of your salary. Pay your rent or mortgage first. It's your roof over your head. Then handle utilities, food, and transportation. If you have debts, pay the minimum to avoid penalties and aim to close them as soon as possible. Debt is a trap that keeps you stuck in the rat race. For food, plan your meals and shop once a week. Avoid delivery or expensive snacks. And for transportation, use public transit or a bike if you can. It's cheaper and healthier. Remember, the less you spend on essentials, the more you can save and invest. The fourth step is to spend 30% on yourself. Clothes, entertainment, hobbies, travel, or self-development. This is what makes life enjoyable, but don't blow it all at once. Plan your fun, maybe a concert, a new outfit, or a weekend trip. And don't forget self-development. Use some of that 30% on books, courses, or skills that'll help you grow. This isn't selfish, it's investing in your future. You deserve joy and progress, but stay within your budget. Want more tips on escaping the rat race? Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a step toward financial freedom. These 4 steps are your paycheck routine to escape the rat race. I've had to grind through my own financial struggles, staying disciplined and cutting out distractions. It's tough, but the freedom is worth it. Control what you can, like your spending and savings, and let go of what you can't. Start today, and you'll build a life where you're the boss, not the system.
There are several disciplines that you need to develop if you want to achieve your full potential. The first of these is the discipline of goals. This means that you sit down with a pad of paper, a pen, and ample time to think. You think through and then make a written list of all the things that you want to accomplish in the next 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 years. You organize the list into the various areas of your life, your career, your money, your family, your health, and the other parts that are important to you. Interestingly enough, if you can be clear about your goals and write them down, there's nothing that can stop you from achieving them. But if you're not clear, that means that you haven't written them down, there's nothing that can help you.
Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up and like this video. It helps push this content to more people who need to see it. Please subscribe to Nova Society Finance. Always remember to master your money. Don't let your money master you.